see the waterfall. Alice is going, yeah. Going to Scotland. All the way up there as well. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. I'm Lizzie, a pet, family and wildlife portrait artist, but at the moment I'm on holiday. I just think it's really cute to just document the whole thing, especially like looking back on past holidays, because that's something I really enjoy. Anyway, I'm in the North Pennines with my mum and my sister. We've got a family party on Saturday and we just figured why not make a week's holiday out of it. We are just smack bang in the middle of nowhere and give you a little tour of the cottage. It's really nice. So we've just arrived and this is what our cottage looks like. It's very cute. I feel like I'm gonna get run over. And then this is our view. So pretty. Alice clambering with the suitcases. Coming in, this is the dining room. All of our stuff is currently in it though. Into the lounge. Very nice. Lovely. Here's the kitchen. Up the stairs. So first bedroom. Then the bathroom is so nice. I love the wall. Then we've got the room that me and my sister are staying in. Very cute, very simple. And then master bedroom. We arrived relatively late Sunday afternoon because it took around 4.5 hours to drive there. So we spent the rest of the day exploring the area around our cottage.
Are you on 0.5?
Yeah, so I can get both of us in. Some sheep. Try. That was really good. You can't do this. Almost.
I give up, I can't.
Hello, sheep. Hi. And close.
This might be a very short game.
You don't fuck. So the plan of action today is to follow this railway track that leads to a viaduct. So we saw it yesterday and thought that that would be a nice thing to do today. Once I've got my hair up, we're going to set off.
My bearings are all to cock.
Lambley Viaduct. Because I swallowed a fly. Oh, I'm dying.
Do it quietly.
I'll try.
Run, Thurs, run!
Run, Forrest, run! Did that look cool?
Oh wow,
There's a lot of steps. Going down the footbridge. See if we can see the viaduct from the other side, because at the moment we don't really have too good of a view. Oh wow! You okay?
No.
Yeah, you say that. It's still very high up. Huh? So pretty. There is. After walking for about 5 hours and doing nearly 20,000 steps, we got home, got changed, had some lunch and went out for a drive. I can't put a claw clip in, so I can't do anything about it. Good morning everyone, it's Tuesday and we are at a Roman fort. And then there's a little farm shop there, you can't really see it, so we're going to go in there as well. Should we start walking?
Yeah, let's go to Rome. Hang on. Hi. Oh, hello. They're so cute. It's steep coming down. Steep coming down. Gosh.
Yeah, it might be easy to go down like that.
Go down backwards.
Yeah. Oh, that moves. Ground level. And there was also the public footpath of the Pennine Way.
Yeah.
All the lumps and bumps. How did you find that, Alice?
Mum actually took us the way we were meant to go, probably much nicer.
So now we're sat on a log, having a snack.
Banana chips.
Ginger.
So, we need to walk down, back over the stile. Some parts.
We made our way back down and had a slice of cake and a drink from the Nook Farm shop. They've got so much food available as well, like freshly made sandwiches and pies and of course cake. So we took advantage of the really good weather because it was forecasted to be thunderstorms and rain, and it wasn't. So sat outside and enjoyed our food and it was lovely. I don't think I ever showed the patio area, so let's do that. So this is our little patio. Very cute, but also blue sky. Oh my goodness. And oh, it's so warm today as well. Look at that. We are gonna go visit a waterfall. So a lovely artist on Instagram actually lives around here. She messaged me and recommended me a place called High Force Waterfall. So it's about a 30-minute drive. So we're going to drive there. We've got to trek through some woods and then we'll get to the waterfall. So that's our plan for today. I don't really know what we're going to do afterwards. We're kind of near that area where that sycamore tree was chopped down. See that afterwards. I don't know yet. So we'll see what happens today. Also, I've changed. It's just simply too hot for a long sleeve. So warm.
High Force Waterfall Trail. It's only half an hour.
Just do a big loop.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're off.
Where's Mother?
Slow coach.
This is what I like to do on these kinds of holidays.
I see the waterfall.
Oh my god!
Oh wow!
Whoa.
This moment here was like many moments on this holiday where my phone was just not doing anything any justice. This waterfall in person was truly breathtaking and absolutely incredible. You've really got to go and visit it and see it in person to like actually appreciate just how big it is and how beautiful it is. Do your finger.
And then we cross over to the other side,
Yeah.
and follow it down there.
Showing the scenery. Hoping I don't fall over. We definitely caught the waterfall exploring bug because we decided to carry on walking alongside the river to visit Low Force Waterfall, and we enjoyed all the scenery around us en route there. Luckily for us, there was yet another waterfall that we could go and explore, so we went to go see Summerhill Waterfall and Gibson's Cave. We of course grabbed a drink and some ice cream at the visitor centre as well.
It's a nice ice cream.
Oh, that's hot. Sorry, I did that thing that annoys you. I wish I got strawberry. I wish I got salted caramel. We did end up driving to Sycamore Gap to see what was left of the tree that was chopped down, as well as have a chance to see and walk a little bit of Hadrian's Wall, because I don't think any of us have ever done that before. Also, if you're unaware, the sycamore tree that once stood in this like big dip in Hadrian's Wall was one of the most photographed trees in the country, and it actually won an award for being Tree of the Year before it was just chopped down by idiots for no good reason whatsoever. But the stump that is left there is still alive, and it might sprout some new growth, so one day it will stand there again, which will be lovely if it does. This is all part of Hadrian's Wall, and it goes all the way up there as well. So that's where the sycamore tree would have been. So at this point, my brand new hiking shoes just decided to break on me mid-walk. Incredibly annoying. I think it's just the sheer amount of walking that we were doing. So grabbed some super glue on the way back home, and I am using a can of beans here to weigh it down to try and glue the sole back onto my shoe. Right, well, I've done it, so hopefully that will work. Happy Thursday, everyone. We're finally out of leggings and in normal clothes. Alice is going, yeah. Plan of action today is meet up with our aunt. We're gonna go walk around a lake that she's said is nice. And then what's the plan after that? I don't really think there is a plan. Not today. Got 18,000 steps a day, so today will be nice. And I put on some jewellery. This is a ring I made, and I also made this one. And Alice is also wearing a ring that I made. And I painted her nails as well. Oh, Jesus Christ. Sorry. What's the time now? It's about 10. It's 20 past 11. It's 20 past 11. It's not 10. 20 past 11. So yeah, super lazy morning today.
Hey, for these two.
Oh,
well,
they're not on. Yeah, I've been kayaking in single before. It's more fun in a double though.
Why? Because you can let the other person do all
Yeah, I can just sit back and relax.
Anyway, it's all fine. 5-year-old laughed at me, it's fine.
That's a bit
I
sticky.
think by yourself is a bit scary.
I mean, not that.
stopped buying ice cream because I would go and I'd look at
Frozen milk and cream.
make my own ice cream because I started reading.
Hot. So I think we're now going to Scotland. Where we are is like right near the border. So it's, what is it, 20 past 3. I'm just going to have an afternoon in Scotland, mooching around and seeing what there is that we can go and do.
pyjamas that are long enough. They're nice.
I don't know. We'll find.
No, just not okay.
You can see how hot that is. Look, it's still bubbling.
Had a fun little meal, didn't we? And a nice little shopping spree. So at the lake, me and Alice got matching duckies. Look how cute. Our cousin's got one called Finn. So she told us about them. And so mine's called Honey. And it's got little daisies on it.
And mine's called Isla.
They're like the same pose and the same sort of style, but got different things on them. Which
Opposite direction though, aren't
yeah.
they? Cute.
So that's the first thing. It's literally is called DC UK, the duck company. So there we go. They're just so fucking cute. That's what we got at the lake. Then we drove to Scotland and we went to a outlet mall. We went into
M&S first.
M&S first, and I got these two things. Both the things I got from the men's section. So I got this massive t-shirt that I very much love. And then I got this fleece-lined little teddy bear jacket for £20. This was £5, but because I was buying things in the sale, I got another £5 off. So I basically got that for free.
Go on!
Then we went into Cadbury's and
has been opened.
Mum's already opened these. Whole thing of, what's this? 580 grams of roses for a fiver. Some Time Out orange wafers. Never had these before.
Buy one,
and it
get
was
one free. 85p.
these. Also never had these.
The peppermint one is amazing.
Fries.
They
Chocolate cream. And lastly, went into the Body Shop and I got this vibrant bergamot. And it smells really good. This was £10.
For the Body Shop, that's really good.
Yeah. A bright blend of bergamot, magnolia and lily of the valley notes to lift your spirits.
Bergamot?
Bergamot, yeah, that's what I said.
Oh, in my head, that sounded like it started with an N. M.
Bergamot! That's everything.
It's a small haul.
A very small haul, but I haven't gone into a shop and physically bought something for a long time, so it was nice to have a little bit of a splurge, and everything was cheap.
Apart from the ducks.
Well, these were
£26.50, and then they charged me twice.
yeah. That's a whole other story. Pasta at Pizza Express was very nice. Considering we've already had pizza this week, so we don't really want to have pizza again. No. So that's it for today. We have no idea what we're doing tomorrow, but you'll see me in the next 3 seconds tomorrow.
Oh, can I wave like you?
Bye. Bye.
I don't have long nails, I can't do the clicky sound.
Bye. Bye. Doing that, you were barely making noise, do you? Right, and now.
This hand action can be taken the wrong way.
Yeah, let's just close it. We're having a little trek down to Barnard Castle. Barnard, not Bernard.
She's always on a mission.
A little fact whilst we're walking around, the market town that we just walked through is actually also called Barnard Castle. So it's named after and built around this medieval castle ruin that we're exploring. And sometimes as well they call it Barney, which I think is really cute. We walked back through the town and got some ice cream. It wasn't difficult to find one that was open because it was so hot and sunny today. This was really needed. was such lovely weather. We drove to Hayberries Nature Reserve to have our picnic, and it was wonderful because apart from one other person that left like 3 minutes after we got there, we had this entire place to ourselves, and it was lovely eating lunch with this view.
Scones.
Ow. Oh!
Are you okay?
Your tummy button.
Tummy button? Do you funny bone?
Funny bone is what I meant.
It's not your tummy button.
Back from the nature reserve now. It was really nice, but it is just so warm today. So I've made a massive iced coffee, lovely, and we took scones with us for our picnic, but we didn't end up eating them. So I'm gonna have mine on the patio now. They do have a little table, so could go there. And then I got this as my view.
My hair's really naughty. I just
It's the family party today, so we're just getting ready. We've still got 2 hours until we need to leave. So when everyone's ready, do a little fit check. It's a video. Right, everyone spin that way, that way. 1, 2, 3. Check the shoes. It's very cute. Oh, it's so pretty. Ah, to match.
Yes.
Yeah,
Oh,
clever.
Bye! A whole lot of waving.
Car's all packed. Doing our final last minute checks and then we're off. Very sad. And it's raining. Of course it would be raining. Thank you so much for watching my holiday vlog to the North Pennines. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. I enjoyed filming and editing all of it. I had a huge grin on my face whilst I was doing all of this. If you did like the video, hit like, comment anything down below if you've got anything to comment, and definitely make sure to check out my travel vlog playlist. I've got a couple videos on there that you might enjoy. I'll be back to my regularly scheduled art content after this. So if you're interested in all of that as well, you can definitely subscribe to my channel. Very much appreciate that. And yeah, I think that's everything I need to say. I'll hopefully see you all in the next one. Bye for now.